Helen says, is a steam cleaning good for cleaning or use non-chemical products? I love this question. And I'm not sure if we're talking about still the oven or if we're talking about other areas of the home. But if you're deep cleaning your home and you have an option to use steam, please use steam. Here's the thing. A lot of times people will use cleaning chemicals and then they use them and use them and use them like, oh, I got 5 showings this week, so let me hurry and spray like 5 times. Please don't, because that's chemical on top of chemical on top of chemical. And we've literally had people that will come in and they're like, and it's overpowering. So there are people with really strong chemical sensitivities, and a cleaning company, a professional cleaning company, often they will use like non-scented chemicals for that very reason. It bugs out your eyes and it hurts your respiratory system and your nose, and your eyes will clog up. And you don't want someone coming into a beautifully clean home that, for all intents and purposes, you've cleaned all the cat hair, you've cleaned all the vents, you've dusted everything, your house looks amazing, and then the smell drives them bonkers. Please don't do that. Again, it's really a sensitivity with most, I say most, with a lot of people. It's a big issue.